Day 1 at Gitex 2025. A glimpse into tomorrow, today. Thousands of tech enthusiasts flocked to Gitex on its opening day, eager to witness the future unfold. The event buzzed with innovation, showcasing everything from dancing robots to cutting-edge AI systems. Let's dive into some of the highlights. 5:01 p.m., Day 1 concludes, leaving attendees buzzing with excitement and anticipation for the days to come. 4:58 p.m., Dubai Taxi and Keeta are teaming up to create 500 new job opportunities in bike delivery roles. This initiative highlights the growing demand for efficient and sustainable delivery services. 4:19, the Dubai ruler expressed pride in the UAE for bringing the world together, underscoring the event's global significance. 3:47 p.m., 9:06 a.m., traffic updates were provided, a practical reminder of the event's scale and the influx of visitors. 3:27 p.m., a service offering to test jewelry purity in just 40 seconds for DHH was unveiled, showcasing the integration of technology in traditional sectors. 3:06 p.m., a smart vehicle network was presented, hinting at the advancements in connected car technology. 2:44 p.m., Fujairah Airport is utilizing drones for inspection, demonstrating the adoption of drone technology for enhanced efficiency and safety in airport operations. 1:51 p.m., the future of mobility was a key focus, with discussions and displays centered on innovative transportation solutions. 1:17 p.m., an F1 simulation offered attendees a thrilling experience, merging technology with entertainment. 12:52 p.m., a smart inspection system was showcased, highlighting the use of technology for improved accuracy and speed in various inspection processes. 12:41 p.m., the concept of a mini Dubai in Dubai sparked curiosity, possibly referring to a new development or project. 12:23 p.m., the Dubai ruler was spotted with his sons, adding a personal touch to the event. 12:14 p.m., a UAE minister addressed the issue of deepfakes, specifically regarding investment videos. This is a crucial reminder of the need for media literacy and critical thinking in the digital age. But here's where it gets controversial. How can we ensure the authenticity of online content and protect ourselves from misinformation? 11:45 a.m., an AI system designed to monitor delivery riders was introduced, aiming to enhance safety and operational efficiency. 11:32 a.m., a smart car equipped to catch residency violators was presented, showcasing the use of technology for law enforcement purposes. 11:26 a.m., 11:14 a.m., a best-dressed robot and a robot that shakes a leg were among the attractions, highlighting the growing sophistication and entertainment value of robotics. 11:09 a.m., the rush at ticket counters indicated the event's popularity and the high demand to experience the showcase technologies. 10:53 a.m., the world's first personal robocar was unveiled, representing a significant step towards autonomous personal transportation. 10:46 a.m., Shaheen firefighting drones were presented, showcasing the use of drones for emergency response and public safety. 10:33 a.m., the question, "Are robots our new friends?" was posed, inviting reflection on the evolving relationship between humans and machines. And this is the part most people miss. How do we balance the benefits of automation with the potential impact on human jobs and social interaction? 10:13 a.m., parking was full at Centerpoint Station, a testament to the event's popularity and the need for efficient transportation solutions. 9:59 a.m., attendees were welcomed with chants and rhythmic clapping, creating a vibrant and engaging atmosphere. 9:50 a.m., parking fees of up to $100 for 1 hour were mentioned, a practical detail for visitors. 9:40 a.m., the possibility of air taxis at Gitex was discussed, hinting at the future of urban mobility. 9:20 a.m., tech enthusiasts thronged a metro, highlighting the importance of public transport in managing the event's large crowds. 9:16 a.m., visitors continued to arrive throughout the day, eager to explore the latest technological advancements. 9 a.m., Gitex 2025 officially marked Day 1. What do you think about the rapid advancements in AI and robotics? Are you excited or concerned about the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.